The Kings Road house was built in 1922 and designed as a cooperative dwelling by Rudolph Schindler for his family and the Chase family. The house is placed in the middle of the lot, using the entire lot as part of the living space. Each person has their own studio facing the garden, and each couple shares an entry hall, bathroom, and a rooftop sleeping basket open to the air. The kitchen and the laundry are shared by both families, along with a guest apartment. The volumes of space interlock with the roof and floor extending into the outdoor patio space through sliding doors. The rear wall is constructed of concrete slabs, poured on the ground and tilted into place. In his article, Care of the Body, Rudolph Schindler said that the garden will become an integral part of the house. Nearby, you can grab something healthy to eat at the Crossroads Kitchen. Take the time to see this forward-looking house in Los Angeles.